Hello friends, today we are going to see the working principle of water sprinkler using a simple experiment. We need to insert two straws into the basket in an egg shape. We need to fit the straws in the shape using a rubber band. Once the straws are connected strongly, we need an holder like this. We need to attach the motor to the holder. The motor will be connected to the battery. Attach a straw to the motor. Then place a sponge above the basket and paste it using tape so that the sponge will be strongly attached to the basket. Now plug this straw into the sponge so that once the battery is on, the motor will rotate and this will cause the sponge and the basket to rotate. Now we are having a mug full of water. I am inserting the sprinkler into the mug. You can see on the outside of sink like the water sprinkling. Very fastly the water from the mug is sprinkled outside of it. The same mechanism is happening in the garden sprinkler.